Good Thursday to you. I'm Storm Team 9 Meteorologist Patrick Ellis here with your ENC Weather update for this Thursday, August the 15th, 2013. Well, we're experiencing a very interesting setup. We were talking about that yesterday, how some areas are going to see some sunshine, some areas are going to see more clouds, more rain showers. That's exactly how it's all played out today, but unfortunately, more rain showers in the forecast as we head into this weekend. Unfortunately, you'll have to have the indoor plans ready to go over the next several days. Let's get you into the forecast and show you what's going on right now, and also look out towards the tropics as well. Alright, here's a look at Live Viper 9 this afternoon. Obviously, we've had quite a bit of shower activity across portions of the east. Still some light showers over into Stumpy Point, Swan Quarter, Hatteras, out along the Outer Banks this afternoon, also along Carteret County communities. And really, it's just been a gradual progression over the past several hours where we've just seen light showers moving through Kinston, Kenansville, but now drier air starting to push in for a brief while across portions of the east. You see that here on the satellite and radar view. You see that the clouds are starting to erode a little bit, but another wave of low pressure coming up the pipe here as we head into this afternoon. That is going to bring in the clouds for this evening. So even though you may be seeing a little bit of sunshine right now, later on this evening, you're going to expect to see a little bit more in the way of cloud cover. Let's look at the visible satellite this afternoon, and we'll zoom in here, and you'll see that what's going on. You see the clouds across the area kind of receding back off towards the east. So eventually, most of us will see a little bit of sunshine today, but you see back off to the west, back over into the triad and in the triangle, we're starting to see more clouds. The cumulus field starting to pop back up again. So don't expect to see the sunshine for very long today, but at least you will see a little bit of sunshine before the day is out. All right, let's go ahead and talk temperatures, and the gradient is large. 66 at Morehead City comparative to 77 at both Wilson and Greenville. That's kind of how we were expecting today to pan out as far as the temperatures were concerned. The coastal area is a little bit cooler because of the cloud cover and the rain shower activity down there today. And deeper inland where we're seeing the sunshine now, that's where we're getting the warmer temperatures. Actually, Wilson just bumped up to 78 degrees on the last reading here on the fast track system. Looking at the dew points, still dry air across the inland sections along the coast, still a little bit on the moist side, but overall drier than what we are normally used to for this time of the year. Here's the setup going into tomorrow. The cooler air will continue to drain in from the north, but with that stationary boundary still along the coast, we're still expecting rain showers going into tomorrow. That's the second wave of low pressure rolling up going into tomorrow. And the third one is going to be down towards the south and west. That's going to bring us rain showers going in towards the latter half of the weekend, and they're going to have some flooding potential just south of our area. But overall, expect more rain showers coming into the forecast as we head into tomorrow. Here's a look at that tropical wave that we've been watching into the Caribbean. It has a 50% probability that it will develop into something over the next couple of days, but the wind shear is not happening with this. It's saying no, it's just not going to happen, and the model tracks have gone on the wayside with this as well. Instead of bringing it up towards Mobile or New Orleans, it's tracking further to the west. Once again, when it comes to tropical spaghetti plots, if a system hasn't formed, they are almost rendered useless, but they do give an idea where this could go if it does form into something. Now, we did have Tropical Storm Aaron form yesterday. Here's the latest track information on that. 14.4 north, 26.5 west, moving west-northwest at 15 miles per hour, 40 mile per hour winds right now. And the track of that takes it off towards the west over the next couple of days. We'll keep an eye out on it. Right now, just so far out into the Atlantic, not looking likely that it's going to hit land in the next 5 days, obviously. So we'll keep an eye out on it over the next several days. Looking at the precision forecast model, starting off at 7 o'clock tonight, clouds starting to increase as we head into this evening. Once again, first wave of low pressure rolls up towards the coast. We'll be into the low and mid 60s tonight, some low 70s as you head over towards the coastline. Now tomorrow, another interesting setup. We could stay into the mid 70s tomorrow once again, with the abundant amount of cloud cover and also the rain shower activity. Now, I think the precision forecast model may be backing off on the rain shower activity on this run. just a touch. I think we see a little bit more rain than this heading in towards Friday afternoon and Friday evening as well, but I think it has a decent handle on the temperature profile for tomorrow. So it'll be a very similar day as what we've experienced for much of today, with temperatures mainly into the 70s. And looking at the long-range precision forecast, it looks like it's just going to be another wet period. Here's Saturday morning at 7 a.m. A good wave coming up the coast once again. That's going to keep clouds and rain showers in the forecast. Saturday afternoon even keeping that still in the forecast. Here we go on Sunday, mostly cloudy skies, if not completely cloudy, staying a little bit on the cool side, but some of the models depicting a little bit of dry air punching in from the east that may be able to dry out the column just enough to get a little bit of sunshine in here as we head through the afternoon hours and warm us up. By Monday, once again, another chance for showers in the forecast. So we'll keep an eye out on everything over the next several days. Obviously, it's going to be quite wet. Here's Friday, 77 degrees. Thinking 77 still on Saturday. The raw guidance really pointing towards those lower 70s, but I'm not confident enough to go that low at this point. We start to warm up just a little bit by Sunday, and most of the models have a little bit of dry air, like I said, punching in from the east to clear out the rain shower activity and a little bit of the cloud cover. So that may be able to get our temperatures up just a touch, and then we get back to more normal temperatures for Monday and Tuesday, more of a normal pattern. Another little wave comes in here for Wednesday. We go down to 83 and back up to 88 for Thursday. Kind of a roller coaster ride over the next 7 days with the temperatures and the rainfall. And we're likely going to see anywhere from 2 to 4, maybe even 5 inches of rain over the next couple of days in several pockets across eastern North Carolina. So if you haven't seen the rain today, it's coming. And trust me, it may come in buckets for you as we head into the next at least 3 days. And then heading towards the first portion of next week, things start to taper off just a little bit. So overall, looking at the forecast, still some uncertainty with how things are going to play out, especially going in towards the next, especially 48 hours as far as temperatures go, cloud coverage, and how much rain. And like I said, the high resolution precision forecast model, I think, is underdoing the precipitation by a good bit. I think by the 12Z run that comes out at 5:45 this afternoon, we should be able to see a little bit better understanding of what to expect over the next say 24 hours or so. But like I said, I think there's going to be more rainfall than what it's depicting going in towards tomorrow. Alright, that's going to do it for me here on the ENC Weather Update. You can tune in tonight at 5, 5:30, 6, 10 o'clock on the CW, and 11 o'clock right back on WNCT with Chief Meteorologist David Sawyer. And you can always stay up with us on Facebook as well as Twitter and on WNCT.com. Have a great rest of your day and a great weather week.